The organ clock. So we have the organ clock, use of maximum and minimum function, energy times for diagnosis. So we have the yin time and the yang time. Okay. Horary points or points used to the hour. Each meridian has its own 5 element points. These are the points that communicate with organs outside it. For instance, the lung meridian has a fire point, earth point, metal point, water point, and wood point. Through its fire point, the lung meridian receives energy from organs of the fire element, the heart and the small intestine. Through the water point, it could send water to the kidneys and so on. One of these 5 element points is always its own element point. For the lung meridian, this is its metal point, yung lung A. This point can be tonified or sedated, and it would receive or send energy to the organ on the opposite side of the organ clock. It would tonify or sedate 100% its own polarity. In this case, it is lung yin. The opposite organ, however, would be of the opposite polarity. The urinary bladder is opposite the lung, and it is a yang organ. The energy that is lost or gained in this organ would be its own house energy. If I want you, sabi ng author, to imagine a fire burning at the center of a room, you would need some water to put out that fire. Imagine you are holding a hose to spray water at the fire. Now, and at all times, the state of the fire would depend on the amount of water that comes out of this hose. If the water comes out with a gush, it will put out the fire in seconds. If the water coming out of the hose is minimal, only a trickle and not even reaching the fire, then the fire would grow without any control. The ideal situation would be to have a steady stream of water just enough to hold the fire in control so that it does not spread and not to extinguish it. This is the idea of control. It is not to destroy and not to let the fire grow out of control. So here we could observe the arrows. We need to tonify the lungs by using the lung 8. Okay? And this, sa illustration naman na ito, kailangan natin ma-reduce ang lung energy. So we use lung 8 to sedate para lumakas naman yung urinary bladder. In this tonification is performed at the peak energy time of an organ. The energy would be very strong, equal to about 7 normal treatment sessions. If the horary point was sedated at the least energy time, it would again have a very strong effect. This is another effective way to tonify or sedate the house energy of an organ. Generally, in tonification, we need a source from where the energy can be taken. Not all organs have energy to give away. If the mother organ is already deficient and is in no position to give energy, then we need to look for another source. It may well be that the organ on the opposite end of the clock could have some to spare. The other important factor is that the opposite organ is always the opposite polarity. If the patient has many yin deficiencies, we could now take energy away from a yang organ, but convert this energy into yin. As this energy flow is on the superficial energy circulation, that is the energy flow from a superficial yang meridian to a superficial yin meridian, and from exterior yang surface to an exterior yin surface, changing the environment makes it possible to change the polarity. Since we do a lot of balancing of energies, we need many direct route between meridians and many different connections. When sending energy from one to another meridian, we always prefer a direct route, as more stops there are on the way, the more will be the energy loss.